something I should have done a long time ago is checked how healthy this engine is. So let's do my first ever engine compression test. So I've just pulled the spark plug leads off, and let's get these spark plugs out. So we're in cylinder 1, based on the fact that the accessories and belts are on this side of the motor, being 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got that one threaded in, all 4 spark plugs are out. The fuel pump fuse was not there, I found it on here. And it's auto choke, so we're not running the car, so I'd imagine that we don't need auto choke, so I'm just going to remove that fuse there. Then, no fuel pump. The first time since it went up on jack stands, it's about to be down on the ground. And that's why we have the bumper quick releases. So it's the first time it's been down on all 4s since I started the build. So it's all the brakes, coilovers done, braided brake lines, new pads, new rotors. Because I've deleted the heater and looped the hose, I've just got it running with a bit of coolant in it just to get some air out of it. Excited is an understatement this afternoon.